We're in El Rodeo in North Nicaragua.
El Pajarito in the Achuapa district of Nicaragua.
Iquique, it's a small village on the edge of the Miraflor Nature Reserve.
It's a community health and sanitation project.
On a climate change and sustainability project.
Para mí Raleigh ICS ha sido participación ciudadana, ha sido un crecimiento personal y ha sido un servicio total hacia demás nicaragüenses y la colaboración continua con ingleses y el crecimiento como personas a través de la unificación de dos naciones, y no solo de dos naciones, sino también de un mundo activo como ciudadano.
On each of our projects we use 6 activities to deliver sustainable development. The first of which is action research, which in our case was a baseline survey. It involved us going around to all the beneficiaries in our local area. It included questions such as the state of their latrines and if they had latrines, how they supported themselves economically, and understanding the health and sanitation within the household, and basically getting a bit of an idea. Resulting from our baseline survey, we've helped with awareness raising. We saw that one of the main problems in the community was litter and getting rid of waste within the household. So we organised a clean-up day. We established an environmental group with the youth in the community. And so now the community is all nice and clean. There's going to be a recycling company coming in and picking up the plastics and the papers that they used to burn here. With the money that the local community are going to gain from the recycling project, they'll be able to fund an eco-latrine project and also buy books for the local school. So with community infrastructure, we are able to deliver specific outputs such as gravity water feed systems, tippy taps, eco-latrine systems.
We found out that they were taking a lot of the drinking water straight from a river source that was shared with animals and sometimes human feces.
We've come to Iquique where there's real problems with the latrines that they have at the moment in terms of sanitation and the health problems that they create. And we are building new eco-latrines that they can use, and so that in the long run they're not going to have the health problems that exist here, such as fever, diarrhoea and vomiting, which we found from the baseline survey.
With training, we've built tippy taps in the local community for all the houses that we're staying in and at the local school, and we invited the local residents to come and watch how we built the tippy tap, and so that they could build them in their own houses and learn how to do it. So it's sustainable development. And we also ran a session on sanitation and the benefits of using the tippy tap. With regards to peer-to-peer education, we've established ties with a local environmental group. They're generally a group of youth in the community, and the leader of the group is a really inspirational figure, and we've helped higher his status and the status of the environmental group by establishing meetings between the environmental group and the community leader.
And obviously the output of that is that they're going to have a little bit more awareness about these issues, and in the future, when they're the adults and the leaders of this community, they'll be thinking a little bit more broadly about health and sanitation issues.
Resource development includes things such as maps drawn from the results of the baseline survey to present the data visually to the local community and project partners. Other examples are things like how to build and maintain an eco-latrine and tippy taps and a first aid manual. The outcomes of the ICS project include clean water for the local community, improved sanitation and awareness and education of how to improve sanitation, and this has in turn improved the health of the local communities.
Tengo que caminar medio kilómetro todos los días para poder tener agua en mi casa. No está clorada, cuando hay lluvia viene sucia y tiene que beber de esa agua sucia uno y se enferma.
Cuando el proyecto termine, ya nosotros lo vamos a sentir seguros, pues, de que vamos a tener el agua en nuestras casas. Para todos, pues, yo siento que es una gran alegría, pues, y hoy, pues, tenemos esa gran esperanza de que ustedes han venido a impulsarse para que nosotros los tomemos un poquito de agua. Y yo les agradezco altísimamente a toditos. Y Dios nos va a ayudar.
Because we're living with Nicaraguan families, and that's a really important part of ICS, because 10 weeks is long enough to really get to know them, to fully integrate and to feel like part of the family, which is really, really special.
To actually live in a community and understand the problems they face, I think it helps us to understand why we're here more.
I think that it's a great opportunity to learn more about how the world works.
It's a fantastic experience, it's amazingly worthwhile, and it's an unbelievable opportunity to see a part of the world that you will never otherwise get the opportunity to travel to.
Es una gran fuente de desarrollo personal, ya que en lo particular he aprendido muchísimo a mí misma, y la experiencia de vivir aquí en un ambiente totalmente diferente, con gente diferente de Nicaragua, de la comunidad y de Inglaterra. Es simplemente puro desarrollo personal.
It's hard work, but at the end of the day, it's just so rewarding seeing how happy the families are.
ICS is a breakaway from the norm, a rare opportunity to do something that you are not going to be able to do very many times in your life.